Today we're making a few small GUIs. These will be used in other tutorials. We'll start by going to the GUI editor. These won't have a class. We'll create a B resize, and this will allow other windows to resize. We'll look for parent. Start with resize bottom right, where it's going to inherit from. Type of GUI resize panel for the class. We'll start by changing the DAC mode from right to none. We'll set our size at 16 and our position at 0, 0. Next, we'll get our texture from the texture viewer here in the GUI location. Be inventory V3. We'll import our values manually. We'll start with a position of 571 by 84 and a size of 34 by 35. We also need to set our owner to 1, meaning the parent GUI instead of the parent. Then we should save and close for this GUI. Next, we're going to create a scrollable. And this will inherit our parent class of scrollable parent, which is of class GUI panel. Changes we'll make here. We'll start with the client area. We'll set our color value to transparent. Then we will change some of the GUI pictures that show up. The up button we will change. We'll set the texture from the viewer. The GUI textures. Then we'll manually add in our values. We'll start with the position. Be 127 by 104. And our size will be 16 by 12. We'll copy these values to the disabled. And our hover. Next will be the down button. We're going to use the same texture, so we'll copy that to the down button texture, overriding the other one. Then we'll set our locations. Be 127 by 121. And again 16 by 12. Next, we'll do our thumb tab inside the scroll page panel. We'll get the top, bottom, and middle. Grab our texture. And starting with the top, we'll put in our values. 444 by 34, and size would be 16 by 14. We'll copy those to the hover state. And picture is slightly off, so we're going to set the X value 428 in the position. Then we'll copy to the disabled. And go to the bottom. This one starts at nearly the same location. 65, same size, 16 by 14. And we'll change our position to 28. Okay, then there's our middle position. And we'll set these similar again. 53 offset. This one doesn't need to be quite as tall. I'll make it 5 tall. And again, 428 for our hover value. Okay, now we can see it's a small squarish figure. What we want to do is round the corners on that. So we're going to extend the top. And the bottom. Now we have a more rounded shape up here. Okay, then we'll go to scroll page panel, and we'll add the same texture. And set our position. by 84. Size 5 by 18, and make sure we display the color. Copy that to our hover. And on the scroll bar, the main section, we will set our default color. Transparent. And then we can save and close. Next, we're going to create a slider. B slider. That will inherit from our base slider. And on a slider panel for the class. Okay, and here we'll have slider tracks, and we're going to change the texture of the viewer. That will be our buttons. And we'll manually put in our values. Our default will have 14 by 673 and a size of 300 by 104. For our thumb, we're going to have the same texture, so we'll copy that to there and add in our values for that one. We'll start with a position of 77 by 128 and a size of 13 by 24. We'll copy those to the disabled. For our hover, we're going to have the same size, and our position will be 92 by 128. Then we can save and close this GUI. Next, we'll look for our B windows, and in the character selection window, we're going to change our scroll bar here. Go to scrollable, hit the delete key, and we'll bring up the window, and then we go OK. Now select the main area and pick our B scrollable. That will add it in here with our new values. And if we want, we can change our little white corner down there. Set it to default to be transparent. And then we just change our name to scrollable. And we can save and close that GUI.